Alright, y'all, man, we got Stray Thunderous dance practice. Damn, why the fuck was that so fucking hard to me to say? And I wish they would have fucking dropped this before I fucking went and made an ass out of myself on TikTok, because I had to learn it from the actual music video. Or like, did I learn it that way? I don't remember how the fuck I learned it, but I remember I learned it like right after they dropped it and I posted it, and it has like 150,000 likes, but it's like people in there saying, like, you know what I mean? Well, you gonna get made fun of on TikTok regardless, but TikTok is fun. That's the whole point. You post shit to fucking get made fun of and people cheer you on. It's just, you just want people to just know you exist. That's the whole fucking point. I don't fucking know what I'm talking about! I'm losing my mind, but we got Stray Thunderous reaction. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. It's awkward, it's awkward. I'm so happy I get to see the whole dance though now. Yeah, this is my part right here. You know what I think? You know what I think happens? Or at least this has happened to me in K-pop. I think the dancing goes really underappreciated. At least far from me. I had to check myself on that. It is fucking crazy how good, like, these guys are at dancing, singing, like all this stuff being this versatile, like all this in one take. Like, I try to dance and like as a joke, but like this shit actually hard as fuck. So I just want to go ahead and give praise to all idols for just being great at this, because it's fucking hard. Like, actually. Yeah. Yeah. Look at Chris. Oh, his shoes fire as fuck though. What them is, forces? Damn, alright. Y'all ready? Look at Sumi! Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Man, I'm not so, bro. Felix fit is fire as fuck, bro. Felix has been lit lately to me, bro. He been fucking going viral. His fit's fire, bro. This is so fucking cool to me. Now that I like kind of like got like a new appreciation to like dancing. When I see something new, it's like, bro, how the fuck are y'all doing that? Like, actually. All this in one take. These niggas be performing this shit live. I don't get it, bro. I genuinely don't get it, bro. Like, actually don't get it. Like, it's fucked. Yeah, y'all ready? Check, check, check. Check, check, check. Yeah, I'm not sorry, I'm dirty. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I'm not sorry, I'm dirty. We don't play by the rules. Hey, one of the, bro, I got chills like a motherfucker. Like, I ain't never seen this shit before. But this shit good as fuck. I'm ready for the part where it's like, so yeah, this song is just such a fucking bop. Bro, I can listen to this shit a million times. I have. Yeah. Why you mad? Why you sad? Why you tick tick tick? Yeah. Why you mad? Why you sad? Why you tick tick tick? Damn, I like Hyunjin fucking shoes too, bruh. These niggas rocking the fuck out these goddamn forces in this video. All these niggas are super fucking talented, man. It gets to the point to where, like, I can't, like, focus and compliment everybody. Like, it's getting to the point to where, like, I'm literally, like, loving everybody. Like, shout out to Lino. Shout out, I don't even know. Shout out to Hyunjin. Shout out to everybody. Like, I know somebody commented I'm not missing people. It's just, bruh. Everybody's good as fuck at what they do in this group. Like, yeah. that little. That shit fire as fuck though, actually. Check. I'm not sorry, I'm dirty. What the hell? I don't remember them doing that. What the hell they do? Yeah, what's up? That part is so fucking groovy, bro. Throwing Felix's voice on that too, bro. That part is so, and then the little dance where they like, that shit's so good. Yeah. Look at Hyunjin, bro. Hyunjin always come in just ready just to steal the fucking show. Just to all eyes just lock on that nigga, bro. That nigga got that little fucking, bro. It's so good, bro. This is so hard, y'all, bro. This is so hard to do. Like, this is like I got like a new appreciation for like these niggas, bro. Like, I swear, like, this actually blows my mind. Like, that they can do this, bro. One take, all this. Any group, any dance practice, like, there's like niggas who just dedicate their life to the dancing part, not the producing music, the writing, just making music, and the, you know, you get what I'm saying, the whole shebang, the whole fucking thing is fucked. Like, bruh, they don't play on that part, bruh. Put Hyunjin in the middle and it's fucking over, bro. That's how it goes. Every time, bro. This shit hard as fuck, bro. Come on, man. Bro, dude, it's actually, dude, my camera's going dead, so I have to fucking hurry. Look, dude, I look like a fucking turkey on fucking Thanksgiving fucking morning, bro. Holy fuck, bro. That shit's so fire, bro. They snap right there, bro. That shit hard as fuck, bro. Look. This is like, bro, like, this choreography is so good, bro. My camera's going dead, bro, so I think I'm just keep fucking around with this video until it goes dead. Check. Look, bro. This shit hard as fuck. I'm not sorry, I'm dirty. Then the part of the ride their back. I'm not sorry, I'm dirty. Oh, we don't play by the rules. Alright, y'all, man. Listen. Did y'all hear the breathing? Did y'all hear that? Did y'all hear them breathing? I need to stop being fucking weird. Dude, that's so good, man. I don't know why that shit was so fucking fire that time. Like, I haven't seen it a million fucking times, but alright, y'all. I'll fuck with y'all later, man. Sorry.